I think I literally only chew like 2/3 of my meal in my mouth and I swallow the rest whole. I'm like an anaconda. No problem. The bag. So this will be our dessert. Prickly pear hibiscus drink. No artificial sugars added. No sugar added. It's really good. So this is the Greek salad. And then I always include 2 utensils. So there's the salad. Right now I'm on Missouri Boulevard. I met her because I fell in love with her Sperone backpack. And she's the reason that I got the Sperone BB backpack. Like, I connect with that girl. I absolutely love her channel. Mom always tells me that I eat too fast. I'm sorry if I look disgusting. That was seriously really good. While I was talking to Jack, I finished the entire bowl. Okay, what? And then I just have the Greek yogurt with the mixed berries. Oh, good dessert. Literally, I just eat everything. And at the very end, then I drink my drink. Okay, all done with everything. I always cover everything up. I don't know why. So that's done. All right, we are done. Can't wait to see where Marsha eats. And I will see you guys in my next video.